Hey, in this video I'm going to show you a few pentatonic tricks you can use to sound more professional on guitar. They are simple ideas you can apply right away and they'll take your guitar playing to the next level. If you want the tab, the PDFs and the guitar profiles for this lesson, just click the link in the description. They are completely free. So grab your guitar and let's get started. So let's have a look on the minor pentatonic scale. Maybe you already know the scale. It's the most common scale for guitar players, and maybe you know pattern 1 of the A minor pentatonic, and there are 5 different patterns you can learn, and then you can play on the whole fretboard. And the cool thing about it is you can just shift the shapes, the pattern, and go to different tonalities. And let's start with exercise 1. We use the pentatonic and passing notes. So we play a short little lick. It sounds like this. So we have on the D string 7, 7, 5, 7. It's just the pentatonic scale, and then on the G string 7 and then 6. This note is not in the minor pentatonic, so it's a passing note. You just play it shortly and then go to the 5th fret on the G string, and then we go to the root note, 7th fret on the D string. So it sounds very spicy, I would say. So you just play this note very shortly. Yeah, sounds very nice. Let's go to the next lick. We are in A minor pentatonic as well. We play like so we added a few more passing notes. We play on the D string 7, 7, 5, then A string 5, 6. It's a passing note to go to the next note of the pentatonic. Then 7, D string, 5th fret, G string, 7, 6 again, passing note, and then 5 on the G string, and then we resolve the lick on the root note. Okay, so one more time, the whole lick. Yeah. So again, the passing notes, just very short notes, just to get some spicy flavors. Okay, let's go to the next one. Here we are in pattern 2 of the minor pentatonic, A minor pentatonic scale. It's this pattern. And we add some passing notes. On the E string we play 10, 9, 8. Then 10 on the B string, 8, 10. Okay, then 8 on the E string, 10 again, 8, 9, next passing note, and the root note on the 10th fret of the B string. So whole lick sounds like this. Okay, then we go to the E minor pentatonic, pattern 1. So we just shift the pattern to the 12th fret, and then we have pattern 1. And the lick sounds like this. Okay, so we play 15, 12 on the high E string. Then we add this little note on the 16th fret of the E string, 16, 15. So this was the passing note, 15, 12, 15 on the B string, 12, 15 on the B string. So one more time. Okay, so then 12 on the B string, 14 G string, 12 B string, 14, 12, 14, 12, and then next passing note 13 and then 14, and you can do a little vibrato. Okay, so the whole lick sounds like this. Yes, a very nice sounding lick in E minor, and yeah, we just added a few passing notes, and okay, sounds a bit jazzy, but that's what we want, I would say. Let's go to the next lick, and here we try to mix major and minor. We are in A minor pentatonic again, pattern 1, and we start on the D string. We play 5, 7, then 5 on the G string, 7 again, and then we do a hammer on from the minor third to the major third. That's a thing often used in blues or jazz, funk music. Sounds very nice. So, 5th fret on the G string is the minor third, and then we do a hammer on the major third, and then resolve the lick on the root note. Okay, let's go to the next lick. We do the same thing, make a hammer on the major third, but we play a little double stop. Play the 5th fret on the G and B string together. The B string rings out, and we do the hammer on the major third, 6th fret. Then 7, 5, 7, 5 on the G string, and 7 again. So the whole lick sounds like this. One more time. Okay, let's go to the next lick. It's in the E minor pentatonic, pattern 2. And we make a whole tone bend on the 17th fret of the E string. 17 bend, 17, 15, then 17 B string, 15. Then we have the major third. Again 17, 15, 17 with a little vibrato. So we have one more time. Okay, so let's go to the next lick. We are in G minor pentatonic, and we play pattern 5 and pattern 1. We start with pattern 5. Here's the root note, and we do a little hammer on the major third again, the A string, then 3, 1, 3 on the E string. Then A string, 1, 3, 4. It's the passing note to the 5th fret. So we connect pattern 5 and pattern 1. 3 on the D string, 5 again, then 3 hammer on to the root note on the 5th fret. So we have okay, one more time. So let's go to the next technique. We do half step bends to the target note. So we go to the pentatonic pattern 1 in A minor again, and then we do 8, 5, 7 on the G string, 5 on the B string, and that's our target note. Then we go to the 4th fret and do a half tone bend. And we try to hit this note. This is our target note, the 5th fret. We try to bend. And you can try to do a little vibrato. Then 7, 5 on the G string, 7 on the D string, 5 G string, and 7 on the D string again. So we have like one more time. So that sounds very spicy, but very cool in my opinion. Let's go to the next lick. We are in E minor pentatonic pattern 1. We play on the high E string 15, 12, then 11, and we make a half tone bend again, and this is our target note on the 12th fret. It's the E, the root note, and we do the bend. Then 15, 12 on the B string, 14 on the G string, 12th string on the 12th fret on the B string. Then a half tone bend again on the B string. This is our target note, 12th fret. Then 14, 12 on the G string, 14 D string, 12 and 14. So the whole lick. One more time, 3, 4. Okay, so let's go to the last lick for today. We are in the B minor pentatonic pattern 1, and we play a half tone bend on the 9th fret. This is our target note on the 10th fret, and we just do a half tone bend. Then 9. It's like the passing note, and then we go to the 7th fret. Then 9, 7 on the G string and 9th fret on the D string. So then 7, 9, then a little double stop on the 7th fret of the G and B string, both strings, and then we do hammer on the major third again. So with the middle finger we do the hammer on the 8th fret, and then root note the B on the 9th fret of the D string. So the whole lick sounds like this. One more time. Yeah, so these are some tips and tricks you can use to let your pentatonic sound more professional. So if you like the video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Just click the link in the description to get the backing track you can practice to, and to get the tab, the PDFs and the guitar profiles. Just check the link in the description. Yeah, thanks for watching and see you. Bye bye.